Yesterday, I talked about the 100 deadliest days of the summer. It's now. We're going to have beginning drivers driving who don't know how to drive. Mom and Dad, this is your chance. Oh, I don't want to talk to them. They're irritating. I gave them my credit card. They're getting ready to crash. They're falling asleep at the wheel. Why is it important to maintain proper fluids in your vehicle to ensure the vehicle is efficient and operates at a safe operating temperature? What should you do if your check engine light comes on? You have it checked by a professional mechanic as soon as possible. Don't panic. Your car won't blow up, but you need to get it checked. How do you ensure that your headlights are properly aligned? You're saying to yourself, whoa, man, he's going really deep. You want to drive, but you don't want to tune the car. You want to drive, but you don't want to rotate your tires. You want to drive, but you don't want to get an oil change. You've got to maintain your vehicle. And hello, E. You want to maintain and have regular oil changes to have improved performance, longevity of your engine, and better fuel efficiency.